Ucraft Website Builder Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering Ucraft for building your website, this is the video you need to watch before making a decision. Ucraft is a drag-and-drop website builder primarily designed for creatives, small businesses, and entrepreneurs looking to quickly launch a professional-looking website without touching code. It offers pre-designed templates, a logo maker, and even a free domain with some plans. But how does it actually perform in real-world use? Let's break it down. Starting with templates. Ucraft provides over 100 modern, mobile-friendly designs, covering industries like e-commerce, portfolios, blogs, and business sites. The templates are clean and visually appealing, but customization options are somewhat limited. While you can change colors, fonts, and layouts, you're restricted by the structure of the template. So if you want full design freedom, Ucraft might feel a bit rigid compared to platforms like Webflow or Squarespace. One standout feature is Ucraft's block-based editor. Instead of dragging individual elements like text boxes or images, you work with pre-built blocks. This makes the design process faster, but again, limits customization. It's perfect for beginners who want a no-fuss experience, but advanced users might find it frustrating. Now let's talk about e-commerce. Ucraft's e-commerce functionality is surprisingly solid for a smaller website builder. It supports unlimited products, multiple payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, and even integrates with tools like Google Shopping and Facebook Pixel. However, it's not as robust as Shopify or BigCommerce for scaling large online stores. It's best suited for small businesses or artists selling a limited range of products. One area where Ucraft shines is its multilingual support. Unlike many website builders, Ucraft allows you to create multilingual sites without additional plugins or coding. This makes it a great choice for businesses targeting international markets. On the downside, Ucraft's pricing can be a bit misleading. While they offer a free plan, it's very basic and includes Ucraft branding on your site. To remove branding and unlock essential features like custom domains, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan, starting at $10 per month. Additionally, the user interface feels outdated compared to more polished builders like Wix or Squarespace. So, who is Ucraft best for? If you're a beginner or a small business owner looking for a quick, no-code solution with decent multilingual and e-commerce support, Ucraft is worth considering. But if you need deep customization, more design flexibility, or a highly scalable e-commerce platform, there are better options out there. In summary, Ucraft gets the job done for simple websites, but it falls short for users seeking full creative control. If you value speed and simplicity over customization, Ucraft might be a fit. Just know its limitations before you commit.